Okay, if this box is what I think it is, I am super excited for this. Oh, oh man. Okay, I'm gonna share with you my excitement here. Boom! Do you see that? Can you read that? Oh, yes, it is the Apple Watch, baby. Let's open. How do I open this? Okay. Oh, I see. Here. Ooh. Cute. It has all these Apple Watch thingy on here. Ooh. And oh wait, is it this way? Ba-bum. Here we are. There's the Apple Watch, and here is the strap, the wristband. So I bought both of them, the navy blue Apple Watch and the strap. I guess it's here. And here. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, you see that? It's covered in something, paper. I think it's paper. Ooh, look at that! It's kind of cute. So that's the watch itself, and let's see what they have in here. The design thing, the very simple how-to stuff, and the charger. Let's take a quick look at this. It's just all the quick setup things. It's in Thai. Oh, here's the English. Yep. It's a quick how-to to strap the wristband to the Apple Watch and some of the other usual stuff. I will have this with me and I will keep this in here. So let's open this. How do I take it out? It's coming out. It's coming out. And it is out. Look at that. It's the Navy Apple Watch Series 6. Not the cellular model, the Wi-Fi model. Okay, let's see how to set this up. Maybe I have to charge it first, I'm not sure. I've never had Apple Watch before. But before that, let's open the band. Before I got this band, I measured out the length of my wrist at the Apple store. They measured them for me and I forgot what I was, like 4 or 5 or something like that. Okay, here we are, the Apple Watch. Boom. Simple, isn't it? Simple, simple. Stretchy, of course. And let's see how to attach this. I've heard people attaching it the wrong way, so let's not do that. With the metal tab facing the back of the watch, slide band in until it clicks. So I guess you flip this over, and metal tab facing the back of the watch. So it's talking about this guy here, I think, because the other side is not metal. So it should be like this. I hope I'm doing it right. Ooh. There we go. And okay, there we go. It snapped on. Ooh. And it's turning on. Ooh. Maybe I clicked something. Oh, I think I pressed here. Looks a little bit small, but on the wrist, it's perfect. Look at that. Low battery. Low battery. So it's time for this guy to come out. Here we go. Boom, boom. Boom. Looks like one of those things that doctors have. You know that thing? When they go like, breathe in, breathe out. It's a little bit dented on the surface, so I guess it goes like that. And it's magnetic, so it holds. This guy is charged. Is it charging? I can't really tell if it's charging or not. Okay, let me wait for a while and see if there's any movement. Okay, so when I connected it to the charger, it started charging, and now it displays to bring iPhone near Apple Watch, and the iPhone is here, and it's already like that. It's just like what happens when your AirPods are on. It just pops up. Sorry, it's in Japanese, but it's telling me to set the watch up, so I will continue with that. This is completely in Japanese. Anyways, it's telling me to set up for myself or for a family member. So it is for myself. And oh, it tells me to take a photo of the Apple Watch while wearing it. Oh, it worked. Oh, that was quick. The Apple Watch pairing is done, I guess. And now I can move on to setting up the Apple Watch itself. Ooh, it asks me which arm do I wear it on. It's my left arm. Signing into my account. It may take a little while for this, but this thing looks much better than what I tried on in the Apple Store. Ooh, it's working. It asks me like the workout GPS thing, I guess. I don't really run outside, but I'll just say yes. It's asking me for Siri right now. It's just giving me some instructions about the settings. Now it's asking me for the font size, and I guess I could set it up here and kind of simultaneously change this on here, I think. That's interesting. Now it's asking me for the passcode. There we go. So I guess the passcode is set up. And by the way, it told me that the passcode, I will need the passcode every time this gets off my wrist and when I put it back on. So I'll see what that will be like. Now it's asking me for the activity features. I'm not sure what that will do. It's asking me for my personal information like my birthday and gender, height, and oh boy, it's already in. All my personal information was already in there. Maybe it was already in my iPhone, so I'll continue with that. Okay, movement goal of the day. I have no idea. It says I can choose between decent or normal amount or lot. Let's go with lot. 800 kilocalories. Okay, let's try that. Exercise goal for the minute, 30. I'd say 1 hour. Standing goal. Okay, I'm not really sure how much I'll be able to stand during the day. 12 hours. I'm not sure if that's a lot or. Oh, and it's asking me about the blood oxygen level now. And this is one of the newest features, I think, of the iPhone 6. So yeah, it's either asking me to activate or skip it, and I will of course activate it. Yup. Install everything. Yeah, it's I think installing some things, some basic apps for the Apple Watch right now. I see. So while it is setting up, they have a quick tutorial on how to use the Apple Watch. So for example, I could go to here and it tells me how to control the Apple Watch. Okay, so it says the watch is ready to go and prepared, and please press the digital crown to start, which is this, as all of you might know. Boom. Whoa. Ooh. It brings me to the watch face. I could press the digital crown and it will bring me back to this, what do you call this, the home. There's all the apps that you can use on here. Wow, that's a lot. You can actually do the calculator here. You can. It's so small. 5 times 5 equals 25. Cool. So let's go to the watch. And when I want to change the face of the watch, I will just press it for a long time and swipe. And it lets me add. You can choose the watch faces like that. Nice. Let's go with a simple one like that. There we go. Cool.